In networking, services are the key. They provide the functions that make the network run with glee. From email to file sharing, each service has its own goal, and with their power to connect, they keep the network whole. Let's start with DNS, a service that's key. It translates domain names to IP addresses with glee. Without DNS, we'd be lost in a sea of numbers and digits that are hard to see. Next is DHCP, a service that's grand. It assigns IP addresses to devices in the land. With DHCP, we don't have to manually configure each device in the network. It's a technology lure. SMTP is a service that's used for email. It sends messages far and wide without fail. With SMTP, we can communicate with ease and send messages across the network as we please. FTP is a service that's used for file sharing. It transfers files from one device to another without daring. With FTP, we can share files across the network and collaborate with others in a technology quirk. HTTP is a service that's used for the web. It serves web pages to browsers with a technology ebb. With HTTP, we can browse the internet with delight and access information with just a few clicks in sight. SNMP is a service that's used for monitoring. It checks the network devices and keeps them from faltering. With SNMP, we can monitor the health of the network and ensure that everything's working without a technology murk. These are just a few services that make the network shine. There are many more out there that work together just fine. From email to file sharing, each service has its own role, and with their power to connect, they keep the network whole.